Car spotting in Japan with Daniel O'Grady. This is probably the coolest thing I've done in a long, long time. And these things are just like rusting away to nothing. And they're just like, we're just in the middle somewhere. Look at this, inside. Wow. This is crazy. I can't believe all this stuff is just sitting here rusting away. It's crazy. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Yeah.
It's so much better in person than it is in the video.
Yeah.
The videos are fun, but just the excitement and to see it really like live is, it's really sad though.
Yeah, yeah it is.
Right? It's like,
yeah.
It's sad. So the 600 is flat here.
Yep.
And the 800 has a bump.
Yep.
This is awesome.
Hey yo! How's it going, man? Hello! How's it going, man? G'day everyone, Daniel O'Grady here. Welcome to another WasabiCars video. Hope you're doing well. I'm in Fukuoka at M&M Honda, and so is another person, and I'll show them in just a moment. Although it's probably not a surprise because it would be in the title. Yes, HondaPro Jason is in the house. He's looking over some stuff with the staff here at M&M, and I'm just taking the opportunity to have a bit of a scout through the yard here. Some interesting cars. Now I did come here many years ago, it would have been 2 years ago, and I did a little video of this Honda Beat wide body, super cool little car, but well, it is the WasabiCars story, isn't it? Bit of rust happening there, bit of neglect. That's a Cicada, known in Japan as a semi. And maybe this car gives you a semi or a fully, I don't know.
Hey Daniel.
Hey Jason.
You're not going to believe this.
What's that?
They sent me in a couple photos for us to look at.
Oh yeah.
And they handed me this.
Holy
They found
man.
this up in some attic somewhere, and they say there might be some car photos in there. So I'm going to set this here.
What?
And this is Honda City, and look at this, M&M Sports Club version. This is actually their model for the shop.
Damn, what year is this, do you know?
Yeah,
1980, mid-80s?
This has got to be mid, yeah, 85, 86 probably.
Damn.
This is crazy, and let's see, so this is a family album, and I'm assuming that there's going to be some car photos in there.
Yep.
Let's take a look here. They're all in plastic. So.
Oh, wait a sec, I'm out of focus. I mean, you're pretty focused, but
I'm dead focused right now. Holy.
damn! Isn't this a legendary race car, or that livery at least?
This is
probably
the livery, but yes, Rothman's Honda.
Holy dooly.
And what's funny is they said they had some photos, and they didn't really. What in the heck?
Holy dooly.
These have to be early 80s.
CF48s,
I mean, 82,
yeah?
83.
Damn.
And this is a book.
Whoa! Oh, I just saw something.
Okay, well you're gonna have to wait a second because we're still kind of going.
Oh gee, Benadryl. I mean, just this era.
This is what I love too. This says family album on the front.
Yep.
So this is their family album of old race cars.
So I've got
Wow.
Oh, wide body, that's nice. Look at that.
Yeah, M&M's been around since '82, and they've been racing since '82, which is just outstanding.
Oh, M&M market in factory. Oh, okay.
Wow. And this book is, I mean, look at this thing. It's just filled and filled.
I mean, some of these liveries are, oh, even this one.
Yeah.
So many liveries that crossed over into Australian motorsport, world motorsport, and Japanese motorsport. It's
interesting. Look at how simple this one is down here with the Mugen sticker on it.
We've got some glare issues, but yeah.
Okay, so that's
super nice.
I haven't even opened up the box. This is just like a book. I'm assuming this book's going to be the suspension parts and exhaust systems. Look at this filled.
Oh, wait a sec.
Turbo 2s.
I got to focus again.
Honda City Turbo 2s. Look at this thing.
Oh my god.
That's insane. It's got Mugen. This is probably an original Mugen Turbo 2 from the mid 80s.
I love
early 80s.
These sort of liveries.
I know you do. I know you talk about this. So funny.
Yeah.
They got Bulldog right on the side.
Yep. Oh, is that the same one as the model? Oh, different. Okay, different. Same color, kind of.
Oh no, this is the same one. This is actually the model car. Good eyes. Hang on. Get that glare out of there. This is actually the model. This is the real car from the model.
Okay. Same coloring, but it looks to be different stripes. But
close. Different license plate too.
Yeah.
We're gonna call it very close.
Yeah.
And that's okay. So, you know what?
That's the familiar MR2. I mean, I got fans of this car for my channel, but yeah, okay. Tramp. Oh, gee, Celica, Leighton House. This is unreal. Actually, oh my god.
Okay, so so there is weight. I don't even know what's in this one. I'm sure it's got to be close to the same. Oh my gosh, this whole box is just filled with memories.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this. There has to be 2,000 or 3,000 photos in here.
Yep.
At least. This is not what I expected when I came in here today.
Yeah.
I expected to see all the cars and goodness, but not heritage like this. In actual, I don't even know the last time I held a photo in my hand. To be honest with you.
Like the olden days.
It's like the olden days.
So there you go, they've done a bit of a shuffle here, a few cars. Oh hey, I saw that car at Stan's Nation Japan a year or two back, and it popped up in a video. But anyway, lots of interesting cars. I got to show you this one because I just don't see enough of these in Japan. But this is an absolute stunner. Sorry, I was going to just show something else. But look at this, that is a clean beauty. Wowza, wowza, wowza. Fire in my trouser. Absolute winning car. Winning, winning, winning.